Good
Jai Hind
afternoon, sir.
everyone. Welcome to the class. There are 3 questions for all of you on board. Comment their answer in your chat box. The probability of an event certain to happen. What is the probability of an event which is certain to happen?
Good afternoon, sir.
Which is confirmed, है ना? Certain to happen means confirmed. Such type of events whose probability is confirmed that they will occur. Those events 100%. Okay, 100. Any another number? Yesterday we discussed probability is like numbers.
Sir,
Yes.
today I and Anushka Burande is sitting together for class.
Fine. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about 2 numbers. Probability lies between these 2 numbers. कल हमने देखा था I have written probability in between here and here I have 2 numbers for certain to happen and for for impossible what we should write. What is the probability of an event which is impossible to happen? Zero. For impossible, we have to put 0 and certain to happen will 1. Okay, what we should take for certain to happen? Its probability is 1. Fine. Sir, how will it be 1? See, 1 is a complete number. Fine. Probability is always in fraction and it is a proper fraction. Like when you talk about percentage, Shardul, 100% is okay, but before 100 if you talk like 60%, tell me the lowest form of 60%. What is the lowest form of 60%? If the probability of an event is 60%, what do you call it? 3 by 5. 60 by 100, 60 by 100 become 3 by 5. You have no need to copy of Harsh answer. That's why 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Now today we will discuss. Okay, that's why I have put it on 2. So you all can be the part of the interaction. Okay. So यहाँ पर कोई चीज होगी, मतलब वो confirm है. Yes, if it is confirmed, means the probability is 1. That's why the probability is always between 0 and 1. Confirm or weakening. ठीक है. अच्छा ये एक word क्या है? Can anybody tell me event? Experiment we saw yesterday. What is event? Throwing a dice. Yes, throwing a dice is an experiment. क्या experiment कर रहे हैं हम? We are throwing a dice. So what are the possible events here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the possible, ये सब outcomes हैं. Okay, and these probability when we are finding, we are calling it event. Like suppose I want the probability of getting number 4. So number 4 is a particular event. Okay, number 4 क्या हो गया मेरा, एक particular event जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. I am talking about how I should get number 4. What is the probability of getting 4 here? How many times 4 is coming?
2.
4 is coming one time. Yes, number 4 की बात कर रहे हैं. हाँ, एग्जैक्ट नंबर 4 आना चाहिए. And total are 6. One by 6. So from the all possible outcomes, ठीक है, सभी possible outcomes में से जब हम किसी particular एक outcome की chance की बात करते हैं, we call it event. What is the event here? Getting number 4. And what is the probability? 1 by 6. Suppose now I ask you probability of the event getting a find the probability of a prime number.
Good
The
afternoon.
probability of getting a prime number here. क्या चांस है कि मैं एक डाइस थ्रो करूंगा और प्राइम नंबर आ जाए? हम चांस की बात कर रहे हैं. हाँ, ये चीज आप सभी को पहले समझ में आ जाना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे कुछ भी श्योरिटी नहीं है, पर एक चांस हम निकाल सकते हैं किस बेस पे, हमारे मैथमेटिक कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से कि भैया 3 नंबर है प्राइम, 2 3 5. देयर आर 3 प्राइम नंबर्स out of 6. 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. So what is the definition of probability of an event? Probability of an event is equal to favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. ठीक है, देखिए इसको मैं थोड़ा और ठीक से आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूं. फिर से काम करते हैं. There are so many cases possible for an event. Okay, Janvi, is it probability clear to you and to everyone? This is probability. Okay, probability of an event is favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Let us take an experiment. Okay, what we are doing the same thing on throwing a dice. Fine. तो पहला क्वेश्चन हम इसी बार ये देख लेते हैं. On throwing a dice. सबसे पहले हम क्या बनाएंगे? सैंपल स्पेस. सैंपल स्पेस मींस कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. क्या क्या आउटकम्स पॉसिबल है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. अभी हमसे पूछा जा रहा है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ नंबर ग्रेटर देन 3. तो देखिए सबसे पहले भी हम क्या करेंगे? फेवरेबल आउटकम्स की बात करते हैं. है ना, जब ये प्रोबेबिलिटी हमको निकालना है, सो व्हाट आर द फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, क्योंकि हमारे फेवरेबल आउटकम्स क्या होंगे क्लास, व्हाट आर द फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, व्हाट आर द नंबर ग्रेटर देन 3, 3 से बड़े नंबर कौन कौन से हैं, कमेंट, 4 5 6, 4 5 6, ठीक है। तो चलिए अब प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करेंगे, प्रोबेबिलिटी इज इक्वल्स टू फेवरेबल आर 3 नंबर्स, टोटल आर 6, anybody want to ask anything?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, for that, for doing lowest form at the denominator, we should take the highest.
For finding lowest form,
Sir, you took 6, no, sir, but we should take the highest one.
actually here we are taking total number of outcomes. Total are 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, वहां पर टोटल है बेटा, हाँ हाईएस्ट नहीं है, बट टोटल कितने हैं?
6.
इससे क्या पता चल रहा है कि 1/2 मींस 50% जो है वो चांसेस है कि एक नंबर आ जाए ग्रेटर देन 3, ठीक है, ऑन थ्रोइंग अ डाई। So for what thing we use probability? For what thing we should use probability? This is the main thing. Okay, why? Do you heard the word? What is this? What do you mean by the word predict? अंदाजा लगाना, very good, to guess, yes. So wherever we just have to guess, it's a game of guessing, okay. Like क्या हो रहा है in the whole world, there are so many places, they're just like humans, we are interested in guessing, okay, कि what should happen, क्या हो सकता है ना। तो इस तरह का जहां पर भी कुछ पार्ट है जहां पर आपको कुछ गेस करना है, सो वी यूज द प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड द चांसेस आल्सो, लाइक गवर्नमेंट एंड इन साइंस, इन मैथमेटिक्स, इन डे टू डे लाइफ, लाइक व्हेन any sort of planning government do, so they also predict कि क्या हो सकता है ना। जैसे अभी पेंडेमिक में किस तरह की वैक्सीन लेने से क्या हो रहा है, किस तरह के रिजल्ट और फिर आगे के चांसेस, ओके। आपने भी शायद टीवी में कई बार सुना होगा कि स्प्रेड होने के चांसेस हैं। सो फ्रॉम वेयर दे आर टेलिंग, दे आर कलेक्टिंग द डाटा, दे आर फाइंडिंग द प्रोबेबिलिटी, ओके। सो वी आर डूइंग दिस कैलकुलेशन जस्ट टू get a nearby exact guess. Is it clear? So if I take question from your exemplar, अभी देखिए मैं आपको एक प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल शो कर रहा हूं, फाइन। लुक अगेन, टुडे आई गॉट अनदर व्हील फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। ओके अभी इस फील्ड में ये जो हमारा फर्स्ट व्हील है लाइक डोंट थिंक अबाउट द आउटर व्हील देयर आर 15 नंबर्स 1 to 15 yes 1 to 15 numbers from the question is on a spin wheel containing 1 to 15 what is the probability of getting an even number? What are the chances? How many even numbers from 1 to 15? Even numbers का अगर आप सेट बनाओगे तो क्या बनेगा 2 4 6 8 10 How many are there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 There are 7 even numbers out of 15 7 by 15 is the chances of getting even number. What are the chances of getting an odd number? What are the chances of getting an odd number? Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 by 15. चलिए अब हम एक बार देख लेते हैं रोटेट करके व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग लेट मी रोटेट घूम जाओ चलो ये इनर वाला घुमाएंगे at what I stop now see on 5 yes and 5 is which type of number odd number तो भाई हमने अभी देखा था कि ऑड नंबर के चांसेस ज्यादा है एंड वी गॉट एन ऑड नंबर तो सही पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं आप देखा आपकी प्रोबेबिलिटी चांसेस सही निकाल दिया वन मोर टाइम अरे 0 पे आ गया 1 2 3 where on 2 2 is not an odd number 2 is a even number तो even नंबर भी आ सकता है इन दोनों की चांसेस ज्यादा है ना मतलब अगर देखिए आप ये गेम खेल रहे हैं आपके फ्रेंड के साथ है ना प्लीज लाइक इस कॉन्सेप्ट को ना आप एज अ गेम ट्राई करिए ओके इन कन्वर्सेशन विद योर फ्रेंड्स तो अभी आपने कह दिया चलो इवन नंबर आने के चांसेस है तो ये दोनों तो ठीक है चीजें होगी अभी अगर आप ये कह देते हैं कि लाइक probability of multiple of 3 what are the chances of getting a multiple of 3 then all of you for 1 minute keep your video on and show me your writing in your notebooks fine okay everybody just show me a notebook where you are noting down okay Harsh is also doing I see yes you are doing good fine so answer it quickly now How many multiples of 5 from 1 to 15? Write the multiples of 3 from 1 to 15. The first multiple is 3. These are the 5 favorable outcomes for the multiple of 3. So the probability will be 5 by 15, which is 1 by 3. So Piyush bhi kar raha hai. Very good, Piyush. Rupali and Jayant. Jayant Bala.
Yes, sir.
Are you noting down? भाई सभी को समझ में आ रहा है? कोई पूछिए. Anybody should speak. Anyone will speak? Himesh Tijane, unmute yourself. His Himesh का audio connect नहीं है.
Sir, I was having a network problem, so I didn't know what is happening.
You see here, we are finding probability here. I think you know what is probability. We discussed yesterday also.
Yes, sir, I know.
What is probability? What do you mean by the word probability?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
Favorable outcome.
By favorable outcomes by favorable upon total. Favorable upon total. जिस भी इवेंट के लिए हमको पूछा है उसके फेवरेबल आउटकम्स और टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स हम डिवाइड करते हैं. We are talking about multiples of 3. So there are 5 multiples of 3. अब देखिए ये जो हमने 3 आंसर्स निकाले हैं इनके बेस पे आप सिलेक्ट करेंगे ऑड नंबर को, बिकॉज़ ऑड नंबर का चांसेस ज्यादा है, इवन नंबर का उससे भी कम है, एंड सबसे लीस्ट है मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 का, है ना. तो आप इस तरह का एक्सपेरिमेंट खुद परफॉर्म करके देख सकते हैं. अभी मैं इसको रोटेट कर रहा हूं, ये 1 पे आ गया, फिर से ऑड नंबर आ गया, 2 4, है ना. देखिए इवन आ रहा है या फिर ऑड आ रहा है, 3. तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 आने के चांसेस कम हैं. क्या ये चीज सभी को समझ में आ रही है? सिर्फ क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. इस कैलकुलेशन से हम ये देख सकते हैं कि आखिर किस इवेंट के होने के चांसेस ज्यादा हैं.
Yes.
ओके. And yesterday I shared game with all of you. I think you all played it. Okay, now following cards are put face down. Write the question all of you. Following cards are put facing down. What are the cards? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, and U. These are the 5 cards. What is the chance of drawing out? What is the chance of drawing out? क्या कर रहे हैं हम इन कार्ड्स को स्पेशल ए या यू लिख करके and we put them turned back, है ना? Like suppose I have playing cards for all of you to understand. तो ये कुछ cards हैं. Now I am just hiding in this way, so you don't know what are the cards in my hand. Fine. So this way facing down. इस तरह से face उनका turn करके face down करके हमने 5 cards रख दिए. Now we are finding the chances of, first of all, getting a vowel. First you have to find P means probability. Okay, P means probability of getting a vowel. What is the probability that you will get a vowel?
Sir, can I say?
Yes.
Sir, please repeat the
1 by
question
5.
because the code is blur.
Is it blur?
No, sir.
Yes.
थोड़ा अपना नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी देखिए. Okay, Garima, from the letter A, E, I, O, U, what is the probability of getting a vowel?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
May I tell? 5 by 5 means all.
All 5 by 5. The probability is 5 by 5. You put your answer using chat box and raise your hand. So यहाँ पर all 5 are vowels. Yes. So the probability is 5 by 5 means 1. Okay. Are you getting? So will we count it in probability? Tell me yes or no.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I didn't understand this.
See, these are the 5 cards. Okay. There are total 5 cards. A, E, I, O, U. Now out of these 5 cards, what are the chances that we will get a vowel if we choose one card? Drawing out मतलब कोई एक card निकालना है आपको, है ना? Like suppose in my hands, I am having these 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, मेरे हाथ में भी 5 plain cards हैं. So same way अगर A, I, O, U है, so what is the probability of getting a vowel? एक card निकालना है केवल 1. So how many vowels are there? 5. Total are also 5. 5 out of 5 means 1. And we will not count it in probability. इसको हम probability में count नहीं करेंगे because here the probability is 1. So it's a sure event.
So how it cannot be a probability?
It's a sure event. Actually, it's probability, but it is a certain event. हो गया ना? We got 1.
Okay.
Sir, understood.
What is the probability of getting a card marked U? ऐसा कार्ड लेना जिसपे U लिखा हुआ है.
1/5.
So can I say?
No need to speak. Put in chat box. I am seeing. Okay.
So
1/5. Now next one. All of you are writing it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Probability of letter A or I. या तो A आना चाहिए या फिर I आना चाहिए. A or I.
sir, can I say?
You people raise your hands. Keep your video on. Garima and Harsh raise their hand. Letter A or I. How many letters are there? 1, 2, either A or B. A is one term, I is one term. Okay, here please pay attention towards the word or. Yes, students, whenever you see the letter or, we have to use the concept of addition. Okay, like here we have to add by A. There is the possibility that A may also come or I may also come. A is coming one time, I is also coming one time. This is 2/5. Probability of a consonant. What is the probability that you will get a consonant?
Sir, can I say?
Put in chat box, all of you. Okay, 0 is the possibility that consonant will come. The possibility is 0.
So sir, it is a probability or not?
Means like it is an impossible event. It is an impossible event here, yes. Okay, playing cards. How many playing cards are there?
5.
50. Tomorrow we will discuss about playing cards. Fine. Now already time is over. Your next class is started. Just give me a minute for your attendance. I'm sharing attendance link. Out of 3 boys, Out of 3 girls and 4 boys, what is the probability that we choose a student and he will be a boy? 3 girls and 4 boys. 3 girls, 4 boys. What is the probability of getting a boy? If you choose a student, four by 7. Yes, here is the attendance link. All of you submit your attendance quickly.
Sir, attendance submitted. Sir, attendance submitted.
Sir, attendance submit.
हिमेश तिजाने, हिमेश आपका ऑडियो कनेक्टेड नहीं बेटा, कल से फ्रॉम टुमारो कीप योर ऑडियो कनेक्टेड.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have submitted.